What's up, Dragons? So, a lot of people have been contacting me and saying, how can they get started trading? My advice is that do not put your hard earned money into the market just yet. If you never traded before, the first thing you should do is basically create a paper account where you can test a strategy that you have learned from somewhere. I will be posting some of those coming up. But at least this way, you can start looking at the market now, start taking paper trades, and you can see your average win rate, loss rates, and all those things. Okay. Now, with this platform here, TradingView, I'm gonna have a link somewhere in this video, either below, above, or somewhere on the side. You will be able to basically come in, create a free account, 100% free. You don't have to pay for nothing unless you want to, and you can start creating. They'll give you a paper account with $100,000, basically a fake money that you can use right away. Okay. So when you first sign up, you're gonna need an email, and basically this is how it's gonna look. Right? It might look different. I don't know, but what you want to do is go here on the top, okay, in the middle top, and see where it says products. You want to click on super charts. Okay. Once you go there, it's going to give you the chart layout, right? And you're going to have basically whatever stocks and futures and crypto or whatever it is you're going to be using. Okay, so let's say we go to the SPY, it's going to be right there. Let's say you go Ethereum, will be there, right? So let's just choose Ethereum for now, just to show you, right? The way that you will be able to basically come in and be able to paper trade is going to be very, very simple. Okay. As you can see, you don't know where to go, but if you go here on the bottom, you see right here on the right bottom, kind of like in the middle, if you see me hovering over there, you click on this here, right? Maximize panel, and then you're gonna have all these brokers here. Okay, let me just close these things off. All right, so it's so you can see, you can also see all brokers, and if you have a broker that you're live trading with, if it's available here, you can actually connect your broker together, and you can just trade from TradingView, which is amazing, right? They have a ton of them, so that's up to you. But right now, for paper trading, you want to go into this one here where it says paper trading. You want to click on connect, okay? And then click on connect again, and that's it, right? As you can see, I actually tested this yesterday, to see if it was working with a free account, and it was, all right? So you have your positions right here, your orders, your history, account history, trading journal. Right here is your account balance. It actually starts at 100,000. Your equity and P&L. Okay. Now you can also come here, and as you can see where it says paper trading, you can reset paper trading account. Let me do that right now so I can show you guys. Look, back to 100,000, or you can actually. Oh, actually, you can do more. Look, let's see. I think you can go up to almost a million, but let's just stay with 100,000. All right. Boom, reset. As you can see, started from scratch. So if you're just losing and losing, you can just reset it and try another strategy out. This way, you're not losing any money, right? Now, from there, all you need to do is click on minimize, right? High panel, and here's your chart. So how do you place a trade? That's the main thing, right? You have a few options, okay? Option A is, as you can see, there's two arrows here. If you click on that, your order block will come up. Okay, here's where you can place your order. And then there's a few settings, right? Setting A is where you can sell or buy. Now, for selling, if you have a special account like our traders do, they will give you an option where you can short the market. Okay. That means that they'll lend you the stock or the crypto, whatever it is, they'll lend it to you. And then when the market goes down, you make money on the way down, right? That's a short. Also, when you go long, that means that you're saying that the price is going to go up. So if you don't have those type of accounts, what's going to happen is that you're only going to be able to buy long, right? You're saying, let's say, example, Apple, you buy at $100, and you're saying it's going to go up to 110. When it gets to that level, that's where you can sell, right? But if it goes below 100, you're going to be at a loss. So you're going to have to get out at a, stop loss, whatever it is. Let's say at $95, you're willing to lose $5 per share. Okay. But you're not going to make money on the way down. All right. So let's say that we're going long, all right? And then as you can see, Ethereum right now, the price is around that 1,913. Okay, so you can put the price whatever you want here, right? This is the ticks. Okay, so you can say the ask, or one, two, three, ticks above or below. Tick is basically either every increment of every penny or every 10 cents. It just depends if it's a future, crypto, stock, whatever it is. You have to check that out. And then the units. Okay, this is also another thing that you have to figure out for yourself, because with crypto, it can be one unit, it can be in one Ethereum, right? Stock is one stock, but with futures, it can mean one contract, and stuff like that. So you have to see and really figure out. As an example, one unit right here is 1,900, right? So let's say that we go to oil. So if we do one unit, as you can see, is $81, right? So if you do 100 units, as you can see, it's updated to over $8,000, right? So you have to figure that out when you're trading it, and it'll show you the right thing to do. All right. Now, let's say also, oh, check this out. So you have limit order, which means you're telling the market what price you want to get in at. Then you have the market. Market means that you want to get in right away, right? Like it doesn't matter what the price is. Like right now it's 1916 Ethereum. You can say, hey, I want to get in immediately. I don't care about waiting. I just want to get into the market. You can do that, right? Those are a little bit more risky just because, let's say an example, the market is going up and then you're thinking that you're going to get in at 1,916, but it went up to 1,920. Well, now, it's $20 that they're going to get you. I mean, $5 difference, $4 difference, whatever it is. It's just what it is, right? So you have to be careful with market. I use market when I'm scoping, like in the mornings when I want to get in immediately. I know the price is going down. I don't really care what time, what price it gets me, because I know there's going to continue going down or up, right? So I want to get in immediately. But if you're doing like a swing trade or like a day trade, where it's going to be like, a few hours or stuff like that to a few days or weeks, limit orders are the best ones, especially for new people. They should just do limit orders. All right. So as you can see, the price has gone down. We can say, well, you know what? I'm willing to buy one at 1,910, right? I'm gonna buy one unit, which means one Ethereum. My take profit. So when you click this, now if you leave it alone, it's not gonna add it, right? But if you click this, you can say, well, I want to make sure that I make $100 or so. So you're gonna say at $2,000, you want to get out. So that's gonna be $90 profit, right? And also your stop loss, you can say, well, I'm only willing to lose, the same amount, right? So you can just put 8 right here. And as you can see, you're actually losing a little more. So let's just add another $100 here. Bam. All right. Now it gives you how much you're going to make with your take profit if the trade is successful. And it's also going to give you what you're going to lose if it hits your stop loss, right? Then it's the percentage. From there, time in force. So what this means is like, do you want this trade to last for the day, for the week, for the month, until a year down the line, whatever it is. It's up to you what you want to do. If you do day, it's gonna cancel at the end of the day. If you do week, it's gonna cancel at the end of the week. Month for the end of the month, and then good till day. That means that you can choose the day. Let's say an example, you want to go out like 6 months or something like that, right? And then it will do that. All right, but usually it'll be for a day or a week. All right, boom. Now, once you have that there, you place your order. You can check everything. You see order information, right? What you're doing, if you have any leverage, the tick size, trading volume, rewards, what you're making, and what you're risking. Okay. And if you're happy with that and you say, okay, this is what I want to do, I like this trade, I want to make this kind of money, then you can come in and just press the buy button. As you can see, you automatically added, okay, the buy, where we're going to buy in. Okay. Then he added the stop loss, okay, automatically for you. And he added the take profit for you. Now, if you did not click this two, it will not show up. It will only show up the take profit, the buy order. Okay. Now, another thing that is cool with TradingView is that you can actually move this up and down however you want. Let's say you want to make more money, boom. And then you just confirm, say, yes, I want to make that amount of money, bam. As you can see, it's there now. This one too, you say, you know what, I don't want to risk, $100. I just want to risk, $50 or so, bam. And you just modify order, just say yes, confirm, and it's right there. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can actually just click on cancel on each one. So if you cancel, let's say the take profit, the stop loss and the buy order will still be submitted. Okay. If you cancel the stop loss, the buy order and the take profit will still be there. But if you cancel the buy order, as an example, then you confirm that yes, you want to cancel. You click yes, and it cancels all three. Okay. Now, there's also this other like kind of gear here, and you click on that. This is like the another way that you can just place orders. You can look at the prices if you want. You click on them, then the order box pop up. You can move it around however you want to. Okay, I like this one here with the arrows, ready to go. Now, a different way you can also get in is by, let's say an example, you're here. You say, you know what, you double click on your mouse or on your computer, and then since you have trading on, as you can see, let me see here, trade, as you can see, it popped this up, and you can say create new order, right? If you create a new order, it's going to pop this up at the price that you clicked on. And then you do the same thing if you want to take a take profit or a stop loss, right? Now let's look at another one. Let's say that it was down here. Let's double click, right? It's going to say trade, and look, because you went below the price, or above the price, is it also giving you the number that you clicked on. If you want to just add that, you can just click on it and it'll add the number for you automatically. Okay. Now, let's say that you want to get in immediately. Okay. So let's go to trade real fast. And let's say you want to get in, you're more advanced. You're like, okay, I want to get in immediately. You want to buy, you can just click one. You already know, okay, that's one Ethereum, right? Basically 1,913. And you just click buy. Now you can also add your take profit if you like. So let's do that now. And let's say your stop loss, right? Bam. Yeah, I like that. I'm only, risking $56 to basically make, 2,000. That's crazy. But let's just do that, okay? And you just click buy, boom, automatically enter me. As you can see, he gave me confirmation that the order has been successful. It did not have to wait for the price to hit that number as a limit order. He just entered me at market price. And also understand that a lot of brokers, when you enter a market price, it's more expensive. Okay. So as you can see, the number here, if you're either at a win or a loss, is going to change the color. So right now I'm at $20 profit. Okay. Or actually, let me see here. So we can go, if you want to check your full stats, right? You can come here and then look at that. Those are the orders, right? That we placed on. And then look, it's working, right? Because this is the sell and the stop loss, take profits, all those things. Okay, as you can see, look at that. Here's the order. Okay, and it's telling you that you bought Ethereum against the US dollar. You went long, you bought one, the average fill price, the take profit, the stop loss, the last price, and what you're profiting. If you're a negative, it's going to be red. Okay, and green is going to be basically that you're in a profit. All right. You can edit it here, or you can also close the trade. It's up to you. You can also say, okay, you know what? I'm done. I just want to get out of this trade. Right. So you can come here. You can, as you can see, look what I did. Right. So I came in and I double click here and I said, okay, you know what? I can either protect this position, I can close this position, or reverse. Reverse means that instead of going long, you're going to go short. But if you don't have that account, you can do it. But let's say we close the position. Okay. We just don't want to keep losing money. We're at 10 cents profit there. We're going to close this position. You can either close partial, and it's up to you if you're able to do the sum. Like one stock will not allow that. But if you say, I just want to close it, and then you just click close position, bam, done. As you can see, those are the arrows. And it's telling you basically that's where you bought and sold. Okay. Now you can come back here again to maximize the panel. It gave you the confirmation, your order history. As you can see, the position's done because you don't have no open positions right now. The orders, right? What happened, if you cancel anything, if you were filled, whatever it was. Okay, history, okay, account history and the journal. And then here is telling you that you basically lost about $1 and 90 cents or so. All right. So that is very simple. Again, remember, if you want to reset this, you just come here and reset it. If you want to log on, log into another broker, you log out here, and then you just log into another broker. All right. So it's very simple, very fast, very easy to do. And the other good thing is that if you have TradingView, you can actually download it on your iPhone or Android or whatever it is, and you can trade from there as well. All right, so that's the positive. This way, you guys can start basically taking trades without risking any of your money. Okay, and until you're profitable and you find a good strategy and you feel comfortable, then you can add $500 to $1,000 to a real account. And since you already know the process, you already know how to enter the trades, how to get out of a trade, a strategy that you like, if it was a profitable strategy or negative, you'll be able to do that, and you can get in and get out, and you'll be way more ahead than most people that just jump in and just try to make money right away. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Follow us, and I'll be adding more videos like this for you in the future. So have a great day, trade safe, and remember, let the profits come to you.